So good morning, guys. How's everybody doing? Look at that's my lemon balm. Ain't she gorgeous? Her huge. She definitely ready to get harvested. So I'm about to harvest some, make me some tea, and then I'm going to dry the rest and make a powdered form of it so I can save it to put in my soaps and skincare. Yes. And I want to show you guys something else. Well, we might as well have a quick tour. Look at my turmeric. Her's gorgeous. This is what I took the red amaranthus from. Peppers. Chili peppers. Look at my cereal plant. It done got huge, y'all. Look at it. I put her in the dirt July 1st. Hers getting huge. It's definitely gonna have to go in the house for the winter. And this is the sister. Her finally came along. Look at. Okay. This is my lemon cucumber plant. Getting huge. You can still do cucumbers at this time. Yes, you can. Green bell pepper. These are the yellow cherry tomatoes. Roma. I don't know when she's gonna get her color, but I might have to move it to the light. This is the pokeweed plant. It's finally starting to get its little berries. This is the desert fig. Huge. She's huge, y'all. She's definitely going inside for the winter as well. This right here is my passion fruit plant. Her getting big. And behind her, Mr. Wheatley has a lot of work to do in the yard, y'all. We're not going to talk about that today because we have a gardening video. This right here is my honeysuckle plant. Yes, ain't she beautiful? Okay, this is the star I wanted to show y'all. Look at, let me see, where they at? That right there is a watermelon. Yes. That one too. You better go, little watermelon plant. You better go. These are black diamond watermelon vines. There's some more on here. Here's one. So the rule of thumb is 2 per vine. So I definitely have to come out here and do some work today. But yeah, look at, see all over the trailers, y'all. Yup. Okay. This is where okra was, y'all. Yup. I just took her off the graph. No need of that. It didn't really work anyways. So I stuck her in some water. I'll show you guys. Bell pepper. Chili peppers. They're getting huge. This right here is the zucchini, y'all. She big. I got it still in the cage too. I'll come back. Man, it's 2 in there. But look at that right there is zucchini, y'all. Show Liz. Okay. In this pot, I have 2 Congo watermelons. I know, kind of late in the season, but I'm just going to let them do their thing and see what happens. Yep, because I'm the experimental gardener. This right here is another squash plant. Just put it in and it is blossoming. This right here is artichoke. You better get it down. You better go. Some more chili peppers. Cayenne. Wow. And these right here is some jalapeno peppers. It's the garden. Okay, guys. Gotta go. Gotta go get some lemon balm and do some work in the yard, child. Peace.